front door.
The G8 here. Alright, what's up guys? Today my nephew got the ATS over there. It's so foggy, so cold inside the house. Fixed to move the G8. Gotta move the Silverado. We got a package in for his car, and it's the ZZP downpipe. We've been waiting for a whole month. Alright, so now I'm gonna move the Silverado out of the way. We did order a 3-inch downpipe from ZZP. It took about a month to get it, but it's finally here. So we're gonna put it on now and show you what it sounds. It's been a while since I drove the G8 and showed y'all. Show you a clip of the exhaust again later on. Let's go get the ATS and the driveway here, get it swapped out. There it is. This is a exhaust cutoff with the straight pipe. It has a Mishimoto intake tube. This is what it sounds like. 5-inch tips on it. So we'll see how it sounds after. Hopefully it's a lot louder. We're gonna turn it on without the exhaust connected so you can see what it sounds like if we were to put a 3-inch cutout like right there. But other than that, it sounds good. There it is. Yeah, it sounds good. Turbo sounds good too. Turn it off right now, but give subscribers a little turbo sound. Oh yeah, sounds really good. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off, let it cool down, jack it all up, and then we're gonna take the cat off and put the ZZP. This guys, ZZP 3-inch downpipe for the ATS 2.0. Paper, a lot of paper. Okay.
Wow.
Damn. Look at that, 3-inch. It's fat. Damn, it took a month.
Damn, that's great.
And it looks good.
What is this?
It's probably the hardware in there. Okay. Look at that. It's gonna sound good.
It looks really good.
Yeah.
Oh, right here.
Oh, here it is. Little ZZP sticker. Let's go put it on.
I drop it. Oh.
Hidden. We can make our own.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look bad.
No, a little stealth.
Yeah.
Can't see it. ZZP. I got the car jacked up already. Man, it's hot out here. Wait, it's about 100?
Yeah.
Alright, so we gotta undo the O2 sensor, and then there's 4 bolts to the turbo. We gotta undo those, and then underneath the car, 2 15s. Undo that, and you gotta do that bracket down there. You got the O2 sensor somewhere right there. But I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to take that off. Gotta go to AutoZone and get some rust penetrant and a tool, so we can get this guy back on the road. Yep. And this is downpipe. We're in a G8, so it's pretty loud. It's been a while since y'all heard this car.
Yeah.
We got this rust penetration for converters. Spray that. Let's make a mess. Spray that.
What's up, guys? So
there it is. Downpipe. Well, this is stock one. So
yeah.
This was a bitch to get out. Guys, there is only the 4 nuts behind the turbo. Here. Then you got the 2 nuts on your exhaust. You got a bolt here and you got a bolt here, which I think one of them deletes and then with the new kit. But store, you gotta get one of these. This is a have to. You cannot use one of these guys. It's just so hard. Actually, you can sell this converter for like 400 bucks, $300 to $400. What we paid for the ZZP converter, it was like $330. So it's pretty much a free mod. So free mod for the ATS. As soon as you sell that, so it's actually better because ZZP is actually only giving you $100 credit if you send that one back to them, which they're making a killing. Do not send it back to ZZP. Find you a guy that buys them, sell it to them. You already got this one, pays for this one pretty much, and then you can buy another part for your car, like a throttle body. What else? So you can buy a bunch of shit for your car.
Yeah.
It's a nice one. So it's about to go in. Turn on the car. I'm gonna bolt those on, but I'm gonna leave this part off. Just turn the car on, see how it sounds, and see what it would sound if we would put a cutout right here. Fixing to go in. I'm gonna get under the car. Don't record my belly. You could probably record from the top coming in. Alright, now the converter is actually lined up onto the turbo manifold area. Just gonna use hand tight the bolts, tighten it up. We got the gasket in there. Don't forget the gasket, guys. You gotta put the sensor back on, and we're actually gonna start it without connecting the exhaust and see how that sounds. Found it? After a hard work today, this is gonna be started up without the exhaust. So downpipe, I'm gonna leave it running for like 10 seconds and we'll turn it off. Ready? Yeah, go ahead. Alright, we gotta do a cutout later on. There it is, guys. Downpipe is off, and like I said, it's pretty much a free upgrade. ZZP is actually offering $300, not $100. So they're offering $300 for your stock converter. All you do is ship it back to them. They'll give you store credit. I bet you can find somebody you know, maybe they can give you $300, $400 for the converter. So think about it. Parts for free. You just do your own labor. Took me a couple hours just because I didn't have the right tools. It is hot here in Texas. It's probably 100 and I'm sweating my ass off. But like I said, there's 4 bolts, 4 15s behind the turbo, 2 15s underneath where the exhaust and the downpipe connects to. It looks so much better. You got your 22-inch or 22 O2 sensors. You got one here and one in the bottom. It does come with the extension, so you gotta put the extension on. And then put the heat shield, which is a 10 millimeter, 310s. Take that off. 4 bolts, 2 bolts on the bottom of the exhaust. Does come with new gaskets and seals. Other than that, car is done. For my nephew to come back and turn it on and see how it sounds. Should be pretty good, but it's a pretty cool model. I hope my nephew get it. But with the original converter we're gonna sell, we're gonna go ahead and buy the larger throttle body with the cold side tubing, converter valve, which goes right there. You can see it right there. It actually makes the air escape faster and gives helps the engine instead of cycling through all this stuff. But other than that, that's the stuff. Brackets you don't need anymore. And close. We'll leave it open. So we'll go for a little ride here in a second. Guys, with the exhaust connected. Louder, way louder. It's loud. It was loud. Here, take the camera. I'll give you some rips.
Alright. Wait. Yeah. Sounds good. Sounds really good, actually. Let's go.
Let's go for a ride.
Yeah.
Oh, these loud.
Jeez. I didn't even dry myself in my hair.
Dude, you hear the turbo louder.
Yeah.
Like out of the exhaust area. Oh yeah, that shit's badass. So we got the Mishimoto Penguin and the ZZP sticker in the back. Alright, we'll go to Mexico, guys, and show y'all the sound of the ZZP Downpipe. Dude, it feels way better. Sheesh. We're gonna race this Troqueando K. Oh, dude, he moves. Back in Viva Mexico.
Right here.
Yeah, let's try it. Let's see what this thing can do now with the downpipe.
Alright, let's see it.
What's that first? Sheesh. Yeah, it moves.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Outside clips. Oh yeah, you can hear the turbo right out of the exhaust. That sounds really, really good. We're gonna end it here, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll show you the ending results of this ATS 2.0. Hey, yeah, turbo. Gotta run. Wait till that car passes by. Oh, that flutter. There's a car to your right. Golly, this sucker's loud. Hell yeah. Sheesh. Sounded good.